Hello, hello, hello. This is Els coming to you from Bemis Crafty Corner. And I went Scaventure. I know, it's Sunday. But I don't have my car tomorrow, so I can't go tomorrow. So I have to go today. So I went Scaventure. And the first thing I got was this. And it's a bag. Full of bags. Yep, it's just a bag full of bags. See, look. Just a bag full of bags. I got big bags. And we got some little bags. But you know what? I pay an arm and a leg for bags, so I can package stuff up. So now I've got lots of bags. And that will work for me. All right. So let's see what else we got. So the next one we got was this. So let's open this bag and see what's in this bag. Well, we know what's in this bag. We can see it. That's why I got it, right? All right. So again, this one's from Provo Crafts. But here's the thing. This one is in a cool script. It's a cool font. Can you see it? You can't. Look. Focus, 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 focus. Yep, this one's in a cool font. I will have to. And it's brandy new. Looks like it's never even been used. So let me get the letters down to the bottom. Make sure there's letters at the bottom. It's numbers. All right, let's see what this one looks like. So get out to me. I like it. I like it a lot. Oh, nice. All right, let me stamp it on something you guys can see. Hold on. Nope, let's do it on this side. So there's the font. See? Focus, focus, focus. Let me give something to focus on. Anyway, you get the idea. This is a different font than the one that we normally find. So it's a different font. We'll have to see if we're going to keep that one or get rid of it. Okay, what else? Well, we got bags. Bags, bags, and bags. That's all I got today was bags. He didn't have a whole lot of anything but bags. So I got some bags. These things hate me. All right. Let's see what we got. Imagine that. We got some pack of dye in nutmeg. All right, we got some more of those alphas. This is Trademark in small black and Evolution in the large black. Brand new. This looks like cards, maybe? Looks like they could be cards. We'll have to take a look. We got some more of these that in the strawberry polka dot. We like those. And we got some more pink mini books in the cranberry. Let's see what else we got. All right. Okay. Let's get these out of here. Okay. All right. So we got more of the strawberry polka dots, more of the mini books, more nutmeg dye, more trademark and more evolution. These are both, this one's black and this one's white. And then some more of those latch cards. And then we got this one. I know, why would I get all the same stuff, right? Well, I get the same stuff. I'm only doing this because it hurts my hands when I have to pull this open. It's not very nice. So I would get the same stuff because that way I have more than one for you guys, you know. Okay, so, again, strawberry polka dot, 2 cranberry books, some dye, 3 packs of letters, evolution in black, rummage in white, we haven't seen that one before, and evolution in black. We got something else in here that's new. We got 2 brass Disney stencils. This one looks like Snow White. No, that's not Snow White. That's Cinderella, and that's Aurora. Yep. 2 brass stencils. And Disney princesses. So we got all that. See, we got lots of bags this time. I like bags. Okay, guys, that was kind of it. That's all I got. So I got a couple of new things and a couple of things we've seen a few times, and that's okay. That's what the bags are about. But you know what that means? That means I have lots of these. And I'm going to have to work out a project to use them. It also means that I have a lot of these rub-on letters to put in the shop. It means I have a lot of these cards I can put in the shop. I have a lot of these cards I can put in the shop. Now I have 2 of these, and 1 of these is new. And this is new, and I'm not sure what that is yet. But I'm going to open it and find out. All right, we'll do it together. Let's open it. Already interesting because it looks like it's already got holes punched. Let's see what this is. All right, so we got what looks like pieces of scrapbook paper in different colors. We got yellow and pink, and blue and green. And then we got these things, which are, there's holes here. And then there's bigger holes in the back, right there. There's 1 hole and 2 hole, and then there's 3 that go that way, and then there's 4 that go this way. And then there's this one in the blue, and there's 1 in the pink. Same idea. And then there's 1 in the yellow, all the same idea. I have no idea. It's some kind of scrapbooky thing. That I can tell you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of paper in each color. And there's only 4 of these little pocket things. I don't know. But I think the papers are supposed to fit inside somehow. And then I guess you tie them. I don't know. Some kind of weird card or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I will figure out what these things are. And that's it, guys. That's what we got. I know, like Scaventure's getting repetitive, isn't it? It's okay. All right. So until I see you guys again, do me a favor. Hit that red button if you haven't already done so. And then like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends. Because I have mystery paper that I don't know what it is, and we'll figure it out. And lots of these cards and letters and, you know, letters and stamps and envelopes and bags and stuff. Till the next time, guys. Bye-bye.